Hello, myself Ramakrishna. This is the natural part of the language. So here one person asked the question, like this basically stuff basically are connected basically. Like this basically the stuff basically are connected. And things basically are connected like this. So here one person asked the question, the city which is created basically, that is one document basically. And that is basically in some binary format basically. That have one format basically, and that basically in software industry basically it's called as a binary format basically. To read this format basically requires some converter converters. So here one person asked the question, the money industry basically, how it might be handling basically each and every stuff basically, each and everything basically, how it might be handling. So he told that whatever cost basically has happened basically, according to that only basically the things are going to divide it basically. Cost is 95 lakh crore from one city basically, and one human soul basically is costing 95 lakh crore. So here one person asked the question, the financial industry basically, they only get percentage basically, increase this much percentage basically of the cost basically, of the current cost, decrease this many percentage of the current cost, but that percentage basically is connected with the set of data basically, set of deeply connected data. So in next video basically we are going to see a little bit more about this topic.